Hey guys, it's me, Robyn, and I wanted to give you a quick little shake recipe. Um, I always tend to lean toward cashew milk. You can certainly use almond milk. You can even use regular milk if dairy doesn't bother you, but regular milk tends to have natural sugar in it, lactose. And so if you are trying to watch your sugar, you may not want to have regular milk. Okay, nothing against the dairy industry or dairy farmers, but for me, I have found that cashew works well, and it makes my smoothie really creamy. So what I do is, and again, it's like 25 calories for 8 ounces. So I use less than a cup, and then I add a little water because it actually makes it really creamy. And I like my shake a little less thick, right? I like to be able to sip it and not have to eat it with a spoon. And then you want to have a good quality protein. This one happens to be Health Factor, and it's a tri-protein. It's a tri-blend protein. And it has 3 different kinds of protein, so it absorbs at different rates. So it stays with you a little bit longer. And then again, you can use real peanut butter, but I like to have this on hand. I'm just going to put about a tablespoon in it. So I've got my vanilla protein, some powdered peanut butter. Again, I got this at Sam's Club. Lasts a good long while. And then I'm actually, in a way, not a big believer in bananas. Like, I don't think that, you want to snack on them on your own because I think they'll make you really hungry. But I would buy my kids bananas, and then they would eat one, and I would watch them start to turn. So what I've done is I've frozen them. I peeled them, cut them up, and I just frozen them. And so if you're going to use a banana, I always recommend just a couple inches of it for flavor. It will help make things smooth in your shake, but I try not to use a big portion just to watch the sugar. I already have my ice in my NutriBullet, and I do find this. I had one of those big fancy blenders, and they're super cool, especially if you're a great chef, which I'm not. But the NutriBullet works super awesome, and so easy to clean. So there's that. And I do think that part of figuring out your shake situation is learning what you like, learning the consistency, and then trying to reproduce that. Because if you do that, you'll find that you'll be more likely to try to get your extra protein in, which I am trying to do right now. I didn't realize after my surgery how much I wasn't getting my protein. So now, even though, hello, Buttercup. So now, even though I know better and I'm back on it, I'm getting extra protein. And it's interesting because as you change your eating, you may find it's challenging because, for example, I'm not hungry. I try to eat every 3 hours, and I'm still not hungry yet, but I'm going to get my extra protein in. So guys, have a great day, and I hope you enjoy that recipe.